Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. In the last video we have seen what is a class and how we can declare a class and how we can declare an instance of a class and use them. Now in this video we will see how to use a class constructor and what is a class constructor. So first of all we will start our tutorial by making a new class. So I will go to my package and I will right click and go to new, and I will create a class and I will name my class as cube. By this cube class I'm going to get, or I'm going to calculate the volume of a cube using different length, breadth and height. So I'm going to declare three variables, int length, int breadth and int height, so that I can calculate the volume using all these three variables. And then I will declare a method which will return int, and I will name it as get cube volume, and this will take nothing as parameter. And what this method will do is I'm going to just return the length, the product of length into breadth multiplied by height. Okay, so this is the volume of the cube, right? Length into breadth into height. Okay, and this was get cube volume, right? So I have declared this class. Now I'm going to initialize an instance of the class. So I will create a cube and I will name my cube instance as cube1 is equal to new cube, right? And this cube with the round bracket is called the constructor of your cube class. And the most basic property of constructor is, even if you don't define a constructor, Java will create a default constructor for you whenever you create a class. So we haven't created this constructor method explicitly anywhere here in our class, but this is default constructor which is provided by Java for us. And we can also define a constructor for us, and the constructor name is always exactly the same as the class name. So for defining a constructor you can just write cube, and it, for default constructor I'm not going to pass any values right now, but it can take values, okay, or parameters. So here you can provide parameters as you can do it with the method, but the most important property of constructor is it has the same name as class and it never returns any value. So constructor never returns any value, so you cannot return like this in constructor. Okay, now what I'm going to do is this constructor, let me print something. So sys o, and I'm going to print we are in constructor. Okay, and in our main class, in our main method, we have just defined the instance of this cube class and nothing else. And when we run the program,